Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. It is Monday afternoon at about 12:45 in the PM. Boy, it is January 13th, Monday of 2025. I hope y'all are having a good one. I spent most of this morning already just dealing with, insurance stuff. I've got insurance, yay. Uh, yeah, that'll be going back into effect on the first, and I got over to cancel out a prescription that showed up, get it started back on after the first, and to schedule. I think it was a typhoid oral. I think it is sometime in February. Yay, fun stuff! Because yeah, dealing with pharmacy and health insurance and all that fun stuff is so much fun. It could be worse. Hey, at least nobody's shooting at me today, right? uh, that's a good thing. Let's see. Boy, I'm sorry. I'm a bit on the tired side. Been run over to there and got that and got back here and got the insurance taken care of before I left, and then got some food in me after I got back. The boss actually treated me and the girl. He brought in a big old pan full of chicken curry, chicken butter curry, or something like that. I don't know. All I know is it was good, and I ate way too much last night. And yeah, and I brought a bunch of rice home, some of that jasmine rice. It's pretty good stuff. I put a couple packages in the quart bags in the freezer, and I'll have another one for tomorrow here, and got another one that I'm carrying back to work with me to go with some food I'm going to have at work tonight. Yeah, I'm eating a bunch of rice over the next few. I can think of worse things to have to eat. Uh, yeah. Anyway, uh, yeah, it's been real interesting. I don't know if I've pointed this out, but this is. I went and did all that stuff to go to the colonoscopy and go all the way to Lubbock. They sent me that colonoscopy kit to do it here at the house. Yeah, I've already got it. I've had a colonoscopy, but they sent that to me wanting it to, yeah. And now they keep texting me wanting me to go ahead and finish this. Part of me says go ahead and do it, but I've shaken that box and I know there's some fluids in there that I'm pretty sure will just blow out the exit. I don't even want to try that. It is what it is. But yeah, the watching YouTube videos on this is trying to work again. I don't know. I think it might be a timer thing, and if I leave my computer running too long, it builds up to where you actually have gone past the number of videos, then it says it's getting blocked. I don't know. Because I'm seeing commercials. Yeah. And that's really irritating. Telling me I'm blocking commercials when I'm not, and then blocking videos that I want to watch. Because, yeah, still haven't figured that out. I don't know. I think it might have something to do with going through two or three VPNs. Because I know there's one on the router. I have a VPN set up on here, and I don't know, but I think there's some sort of a VPN thing that works with Apple. I'm just not sure. Anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, we got a bit of a good thing going at the job. The numbers are good enough over last year for sure, and boss is happy about that. We're about $20,000 up for the month, and that's not even half the month in. You know, so boss is happy. Don't know about you, but the boss being happy is kind of a good thing. Yeah, I'm trying to keep up breakfast for all these folks. We have 4 or 5 different crews in that are here for work crews. It's a lot of food to put out real quick because 3 of them show up at the same time. The other 2 come in about an hour later, and they stagger. They're about 10-15 minutes between them. So yeah, but 2 or 3 of them show up right at the same time and just run over. I'm not sure about how many because 2 of them are new, and I don't know if they're just different shifts of the same crew or 2 different crews. Uh, I haven't got that far yet. Yeah, requires time to figure them out. Uh, yeah, I got the started on talking with the hospital about a bill I got. Gonna try to get that taken care of. Probably swing by there tomorrow. Because that's so much fun to do. Go talk to hospitals and doctors and lawyers and financing, pharmacist. And I'm not too sure, but I don't like my pharmacist. At least not the female one. Just saying. The typhoid's under 200, I think it was. So yay, gonna try to go get that put on there as soon as so it'll go toward my deductible. Well, my max out of pocket. Because there's so much fun taking care of $1,300 worth of max out of pocket. Because they want you to cover everything first. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm just going to go ahead and on my router get it back to just the one. And I haven't for sure decided which one yet. Like I say, they both have advantages and they both have disadvantages. It is what it is. I guess I could try to hook my. I've got a hub. I got a hub that has a network connection to it, and I can hook the NAS to it. I ain't had that out and tried to test it to find out how well it works. So I'm going to have to give that a go. Because, yeah, fun stuff. I can't wait to get to the Philippines. Yeah, I want to get to where I'm a day person again and start doing day stuff during the day and not have it interfere with my sleeping. Because I can tell you honestly, getting up and going in the middle of the night to work all night is really a pain in the butt. In my system, my body is really wanting to swap back over to being a day person again. It's just, yeah. Days is what most folks are designed to work with. Our body wants to sleep at night and be awake during the day. So you're all the time fighting yourself when you're working nights. I've been fighting this for 20 years basically of being a night person. I want to be the day person again. Don't get me wrong. Uh, I catch a lot of sunrises, and I love sunrises more than I like sunsets. But I don't get to see very many sunsets anymore because, oh yeah, I'm already asleep when they happen, and I don't wake up until after they're over. I might catch, if I'm lucky, 3 or 4 a year. I want to see some of those things again. I really do want to sit on a beach, watch the sunset while fishing, and then still on that same beach, turn around and face the other direction and watch the sun rise while fishing. Yeah, just go out and go fishing all night, sit on a beach, have fun. And I know I just talked about staying up all night and fishing when I'm complaining about wanting to get back to being a day person. I know I've got a few conflicts going on. Hey, none of us are sane. Just get over it. We're all a little crazy some way or another. The question is, are you having fun with it? Just saying. Uh, Boy, I ain't got no enthusiasm right now. I'm tuckered out. Anyway, yeah, boss came in and brought some chicken in, and thank you, boss. It was delicious. Uh, and it seems like it's going to be a pretty easy when our people go to vacation. No, what I ought to do is take a week of vacation or two. Just mess with the boss. Well, I really need a vacation. But the problem is, I'd just work. I'd be working here instead of vacationing. That is so why I want to get away from here. I am just so ready to not work. Seriously, 50 years of doing stuff. Dang, there's, yeah, it's time to call it. Don't know about you, but yeah, I've done a wee bit and I'm ready to retire and go fishing. I want my full time and serious amount of work to be cranking a reel, dragging a fish in, baiting a hook. You can hear the stress load on that, right? Uh, saw some of the to go. Uh, I was checking out the destinations and routes they got. It looks like they added a few more there to Mindanao. So, woohoo! Might have to try to catch a couple of those because you can go from place to place to place to place to place and just catch it. Catch it as you go and hit several different places in a big circle. I could do that and have fun with it. I just don't know what route. I haven't figured out what route yet. Might have to figure that out when I get over there. And it's a little more, I can have a little more of an understanding. I'm trying to pull out maps and look at places and see where they go. I don't know. I'll get it figured out. But yeah, the to-go ferries are looking real interesting. I like boats. Hey, you don't join the Navy because you like airplanes. Well, you may, but they're usually on boats. So you better like boats. That's what the Navy's about. Boats. Big ones. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and a lot more food. Anyway, this is Williams, Philippines. Have a blessed one. May your work week be easy and lots of food. I'm Fish. Hey, later blessings. Bye bye. Fish is out.